Ever wondered how career choices can shape your entire life? This question is more significant than you might think. The career path you choose can influence your lifestyle, happiness, and even your identity. It's a decision that can dictate the course of your entire life. But it's not an easy one, especially for students who are just starting to explore their options. It's like standing at a crossroads with countless paths stretching out before you. Making the right career choice becomes easier when you have guidance and support. Scene script. Imagine having a roadmap to your future. Wouldn't that be empowering? Picture this, a compass in your hand, guiding you through the vast expanse of opportunities and possibilities. That's the essence of career counseling. It's not about telling you what to do, but rather helping you discover who you are, your interests, strengths, and weaknesses, leading you to make informed decisions about your future. Consider this, a young girl always good at solving puzzles, but never quite knew how to channel this skill. After a few career counseling sessions, she discovered her love for coding. Now, she's on her way to becoming a software developer, solving complex problems every day, just like those puzzles she loved. Or take the example of a boy who was always fascinated by the natural world, yet unsure how to translate that into a career. Through career counseling, he found his passion for environmental science. Today, he's studying to become a climate scientist, aspiring to make a real difference in the world. These are not just stories, but real-life testimonials of students who have benefited from career counseling. It's about understanding yourself better, identifying your passions, and aligning them with a career that suits you. It's about making choices that you won't regret later. These students found their way thanks to the guidance they received. They chose the right path for themselves. So, are you ready to embrace your future? The question hangs in the air, a challenge, a promise. But how does one answer it? How does one embrace a future that is still shrouded in the mists of uncertainty? The answer is simpler than you might think. It starts with a conversation with a career counselor. Career counseling is not just a meeting, it's an exploration. It's like flipping on a light switch in a dark room. Suddenly, you see paths you never knew existed. Doors that were previously hidden now become apparent. It's about discovering your strengths, understanding your passions, and aligning them with opportunities in the world. But where can one find these career counselors? Well, you're in luck. They're more accessible than ever before. Schools and universities often have dedicated career counseling departments. Many organizations offer free career counseling services to the community. And then there are numerous online platforms brimming with experienced professionals who are ready and willing to guide you. These platforms offer a variety of resources: online seminars, one-on-one sessions, personality tests, aptitude tests, industry insights, and much more. They're not just about helping you choose a career, but also about equipping you with the tools to thrive in it. And the best part? Career counseling is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's highly personalized. It takes into account your unique set of skills, interests, and aspirations. It's about creating a roadmap for your future that is as unique as you are. So let's not underestimate the power of career counseling. It's not just about choosing a job, it's about choosing a life. It's about choosing happiness, fulfillment, and success. It's about choosing you. As we wrap up this conversation, remember, the future is not something that just happens to us. It's something we create. And it starts with making informed decisions. So, don't leave your future to chance. Seek career counseling and let your journey towards the right career begin today.